Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. And I know that I have recently uploaded a video on this bag and the leather version, but it has absolutely become my most favorite bag ever. So much so that I have sold almost every single diaper bag that I owned, which is huge for me if you know, because I love diaper bags and I have had a lot of them, but I still think that this is my absolute favorite, and it's too hard to beat. So I'm going to show you how I have been packing it, because I have been using it daily for months now. So let me just get right to it. So again, this is the beautiful La Mere in Plum. It's my favorite color of any bag I've owned. It's beautiful. And I love this material because it's vegan leather, so you know, I can be a little bit more rough on it. I don't have to baby it as much as a leather bag. And it's nice and flexible and soft and comfortable, and it's perfect, and I love it. So if you haven't seen this bag before, it has a nice zipper pocket in the front that was just open, a pocket in here that has a magnetic pocket, two slanted pockets on the side, and one slip pocket in the back. It is convertible. It has backpack straps that you can detach from the back, from the bottom, and tuck into this pocket. And it also includes a nice little messenger strap that I always keep attached because, mom hack, when I am shopping, I almost always, like 9 times out of 10, grab a cart that does not have a seat belt. So even if I only use this as a backpack, I like having this because I can tie my daughter up using this as a seatbelt, and that way she's secure and I have peace of mind. So anyway, in this front slip pocket, I have trash, receipts, a pack of travel boogie wipes, but that's all I have in that pocket. And in this zip pocket, I stuck my wallet, and this is from Mina Bay Audrey wallet, and I like it because it's small and I can slip it right through there and we're good to go. As I mentioned, the straps are attached at all times because I like to be able to put it around my shoulder, crossbody if I need to. And I also like carrying it because of what I just mentioned. In this pocket right here, I have my keys that are attached to a wristlet strap from the packing cases by Lily Jade. It's the mauve color, my absolute favorite of all they've had. So I like having my keys, my car keys separate from the rest. Also in this pocket, I have my kids' little swipe cards for preschool and a little one of these dimple duos or something. I can't remember what it's called, but they are by Fat Brains. As always, everything will be listed below if you are interested in anything, so you can find it easily. In this pocket is where I will stick my phone. I have it right here. It obviously fits. This is a smaller phone, none of those plus phones. It's an iPhone XS, and it has a loopy case, and it still glides in super easy, and I can pull it right out. I also tend to put my sunglasses in here, and if not, I will just stick those in here and have my daughter's sippy cup in here. She has right now a Nook bottle that she really loves, and she also has a Contigo bottle, which are super wide, and it still fits in there perfectly. Okay, in the back, I always carry this little pouch with me. This is a Mina Bay Mama pouch. It comes in like a double set. It has a mama and a baby pouch, and it has their own little wristlets. It's leather. It's like a plum raisin color, super beautiful. I like to carry it because I can just throw in my phones, my keys, and my wallet, and I am, you know, I can go in, out fast, don't have to carry my bag. And what else do I have in here? I have doctor appointment papers, and that's it for the outside. You can probably hear my kids now, they're screaming. This does have double zippers, and they glide super smooth. And this mess is what I have. It looks messy, but it's not, I promise. It's just that my kids have been sick, so I have a huge pack of boogie wipes thrown right on the top. And I have been carrying this sling everywhere with me because my daughter is super clingy. This is by Kite Baby. I got it at the Sensible Mama's boutique. I will link everything below. And it has gold, like rose gold rings. It's a ring sling. It's so pretty. Love it. And my daughter loves to be in it. Also, side note is this matches kind of perfectly with the mauve packing cases by Lily Jade, which is an added bonus. I didn't think I was such a pink girl until I look at my bag and everything's pink. But anyway, I have this kind of just like made into a ball. It's not fancy at all. I just stick it in there and that's it. So now you can see that it's actually super organized in there. I have my large set piece by Lily Jade. No, this is a medium one. And this has a little change pad in there. I have 2 diapers, a little roll of Munchkin diaper bags, and some triple paste. I also should have some little post-its in there somewhere. I just can't find them. I used to always carry my wipes with that pouch, but I find myself reaching for wipes so often that I just have them kind of tucked in between all the pouches. And this is kind of a halfway full pack of wipes. And in front of that pouch where the diapers were, I have the small Lily Jade packing cube, and this has my kids' snacks. You can see a Sammy Jammy that my daughter insisted on having, and then she just put it back. And I usually have more stuff in here. This is kind of halfway full also because I went out with my kids today, and as soon as they are out of the house, they are suddenly starving. But these are awesome. I have in here 2 Fig bars, 2 Z bars, and 2 Sammy Jammies, and there's still a lot of room in there. I don't have anything in this back pocket. I used to put like gloves in there, but then I'd forget. So it's just empty. You can kind of see in there I have this favorite toys of ours. This is a Dimple by Fatbring Toys. I think I got this one on Amazon, but you can also find them at the Sensible Mama. This is awesome. And then tucked to the side, I have this miracle pouch. This is the Mary Poppins pouch of all pouches. And this is from Dagny Dover. It came in, I think, my Landon carry-all, or it came in one of my Hunter toiletry bags. I can't remember. It's a little bit larger than the other ones that I have, so I think it came with the Landon. And this is our first aid kit, and it has a lot of stuff. It has a Benadryl itch stick, it has my nail file, a Type to Go pen, nail clippers, Dramamine, some ointment, my external charger, a lot of band-aids, nail polish remover, Motrin, a Oogie Bear. So much stuff fits in here, and it doesn't take up a lot of room because it's mesh and it's awesome. And I have been taking this with me everywhere because my kids have been getting, well, my daughter has been getting car sick, and they keep falling and cutting their knees up, so I need this at all times. Plus they have all gotten sick lately because my oldest are in preschool. If you're new here, I have twins, a boy and a girl. They are 4 and they are in preschool. They are potty trained, so I don't need to carry diapers for them. And I have a 1.5-year-old who is obviously in diapers and is always hungry. So this is what I have for them in this pouch, which is a miracle pouch, and I love it. In the bottom, I think you can see it better now, I have beanie for my baby because it is still very cold here in Texas, and I have some mittens. She hates this and never lets me put it on her, but I carry it just in case it's super cold, and she actually does need it. We are expecting snow this week, so I'm so excited about it. Okay, and it has a nice little key leash where I have my house key and our mailbox key, and I also have my Final Straw little case. And I am sure this looks super different from what was just being filmed, but my battery died and my other battery is in the room that my little baby is snapping in, so I just can't get it. And I have my other camera here, and it's what I'm going with. So I am sorry if it's distracting, but I gotta do what I gotta do because I can never find time to film now, and it's now or never. I actually don't know what I was saying. But anyway, there is a zippered pocket in the back, and in here I have some Skittles for me just in case I get into a lot of stress, some feminine pads, and a little adapter for my earphones just in case. I don't even know why I carry this, but I do. And that's it. And it has 2 mesh pockets on the side, and on the front it has kind of a larger pocket, which is perfect for diapers and wipes if you want to carry it like that, and a smaller pocket on the other side. You can see kind of what I have in there. In the smaller one I have saline solution because my kids are super sick all the time now, and my baby especially needs this a lot. Oh, what I was saying is that I let this just hang at the bottom of the bag because I really don't ever need these a lot, so I don't care that they're in the bottom beneath everything. That's why I have my keys separate. I used to have everything together and I just hate all the jingle jangle. And this is what works for me. But anyway, also in that little pocket I have some Mrs. Meyer's hand sanitizer, which I love. It's become my absolute favorite hand sanitizer. So yeah, that's in there. And in the pocket right next to it, I have a Mina Bay pouch. This is the second of the set. Here's the bigger one, and this is the smaller one. This one actually is really cool because it has kind of like a little wallet built in. It has like it has a little card holder and another pocket in here. I don't know what, but I really love this thing a lot. And in my bag, I have the smaller one, which is the Bebe one, and oh, they also both have the wrist strap, which is super cool. And in here I have lipsticks, or lip pencil, sorry, lip balm, which I love this thing, and mints, a mirror, and a flashlight. I always carry this with me. It comes in handy more than you know. And that's it. I can fit a lot more in here, but I really don't carry that much stuff for myself. And it fits perfectly in that pocket. I really love having it in there. And that is, I think that's it. Wait, I have something else in here. My AirPods. Jeez. My AirPods are in the pocket, the mesh pocket to this side. The other one is empty. So I absolutely love this bag so much. It's really comfortable and it's not massive. It's pretty. I feel stylish with it. It's, you know, there's a pocket for everything, and even though I am using pouches, everything just fits and glides perfectly, and it's my new baby. I love it. It's my favorite bag at the moment. It's the one I've been grabbing all the time. I have not used any other bag right now, just these two, the leather one and this one. But because the weather is kind of funky here, I have been just preferring to use the vegan one so that my other one doesn't get damaged. But that's everything. That's everything I had in my bag. I packed for 2 4-year-olds and a 1.5-year-old. So I hope that you found this helpful or useful if you are searching for this bag. I do have a link below so you can find this bag, and it's a referral code. So if you want to click it and help us girl out, I appreciate it. If not, just search, you know, on Instagram or go directly to their page. I highly recommend it regardless, so search for it. I hope this was helpful if you are considering it, because it's awesome. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't a subscriber and like this type of content, don't forget to click the button that's in the corner over here or the big subscribe button below. Also, there will be one popping up like kind of around here. So you have options to subscribe if you are interested. And if not, it's fine. If you like this video, show me a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!